If your rolls sound like this, you need to strengthen the second note of your diddles to get them to sound like this. Instead of relying on bounce to play the second note for you, you need to learn how to stroke both notes of a diddle. One way to build that diddle control is to play roll exercises on a softer surface, like a pillow. But my favorite soft surface is a towel, because you can change the level of difficulty by folding it to have more or less layers. Plus, they keep me warm in the Arizona winters. If you want an extra challenge when playing on a soft surface, emphasize or accent the second note of each diddle to really work on your chops. Another way to improve the second note of a diddle is playing a double beat exercise called diddle strength. For this exercise, you'll play the accents about 3 inches higher than the taps. Think of them like an emphasis that teaches you how to get more power behind both notes of a diddle. The first measure emphasizes both notes of a diddle. Next, you emphasize the first note, and finally you emphasize the second note. Each line switches between right hand only, both hands as double stops, left hand only, and both hands as double stops again. Playing with both hands allows you to hear inconsistencies between your hands that you wouldn't catch when playing them on their own, because you hear a flam sound when your hands are slightly off. To play this exercise on New Game Plus, try it on a soft surface. Yet another way to improve the second note of a diddle is to play an inverted diddle. Here's what a normal diddle sounds like. And here's what an inverted diddle sounds like. Notice how they're the exact same rhythm? The only thing that changes is the sticking. An inverted diddle starts with a single note, followed by a diddle that starts in between the subdivision.
Isn't that a puttada?
Not quite. Playing one inverted diddle will look like the same sticking as a puttada, but an inverted roll starts with a single note, followed by diddle sticking, with a release on the second note of a diddle.
But isn't that a tap roll?
Nope. A tap roll would have space between the tap and a roll, but an inverted roll starts the diddle sticking right after the first note.
So how do you play an inverted tap roll?
Inverted tap rolls off the right hand have a single right hand as a tap, followed by an inverted roll that starts on the next subdivision.
So how does this help my rolls?
Because the diddle sticking starts in between the subdivision, placing the second note of the diddle on the subdivision, making it easier to focus on and improve the second note of the diddle. That's why the technique section of my YouTube channel's home tab has triplet and 16th note diddle playlists with both regular and inverted diddle stickings. My home tab has thousands more free exercises and drumming tips like how to improve the timing of your diddle using exercises I haven't talked about in this video. Click a header to show all of the playlists in each section and use timestamps in the description to jump to a specific BPM or drumming tip.